What's unique about this project is one thing that we have is a pretty robust site fence. We're not using chain link. We're not going through United or any fence contractor at all to do our fencing. We self-performed all this with woodwork laborers and carpenters and designed it using some engineered details that we actually can find on woodwork best practices. Basically, it's water-filled barricades from Webcore equipment that are filled high, and we've got 4x4 posts that are connected on either side of the barricade that fastens things in, and 2 sheets of plywood running alongside the whole thing, and then painted and primed for weather protection. And we've had no issues with it whatsoever. It's been something we never have to think about. Whenever we need to move it, we just we've got holes up at the top of the fence so we can rig it and just pick it up with a forklift and move some panels every once in a while. It's really not that big of a deal for us. And it allowed it to be very customizable. As you can see, we've got custom vehicle gates and protection that we designed around the fencing system, which would not have been able to be done if we had to work around chain link fence, because we're actually able to lock everything in with these barriers. It's also true zero waste friendly. This is a true zero waste project. Very little was bought new except for the plywood. All these barriers are from the yard, so we're going to take those back. No waste whatsoever there. Other than water that needs to get replenished every once in a while, but water is not something that is accounted for under Choose Zero Waste, so that's a non-issue. We hope to reuse the plywood on another project. I mean, these barriers are super, super strong and can be easily taken to another project when we're done here. We'd hope that a project would come and pick these up so we wouldn't have to have storage at the yard. When we get towards the end, we're definitely going to be hoping people reach out to us. And you guys can save a lot of money potentially on labor and materials if you use our panels here. And if we can find a home for all of this, we're going to have a completely zero waste fence. So that would be a really, really big accomplishment and something that would greatly contribute to our certification on the project.